Hello there, lovely viewer. Welcome back to my channel. If you are stopping by for the first time, I'm saying a very warm welcome to you. Okay, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the red button on this channel, to be a part of this family, and click on the bell icon to be notified each time I upload new video every Saturday. And today I'm back with a wonderful recipe that is a crunchy donut recipe. Okay, you can have it a cup of coffee or tea with milk. You can have it made for guests that visit unannounced. It is also a great snack for iftar, for meetings at work, during tea breaks. It's something you can have as well with your cup of tea. It's also very great for occasions like naming ceremonies. This is a typical naming ceremony donut in the Gambia. Okay, and you can have it in any family gathering as well, like as a form of snack. Okay, and you can even have it go with some whipped cream or chocolate dip, something like that to make it fancy. Okay, it's very easy to make. Okay, it's delicious, it's crunchy, you can never go wrong with it. So if you are curious and you want to know how this is achieved, please stay tuned as I show you how to go about it. On my ingredient list, I have 1 whole egg, some vanilla extract, some salt, 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, and on this teaspoon here we have baking powder. The teaspoon is not full, okay, so you don't want too much baking powder if you want that crunchy texture of the donut. Okay, and for the all-purpose flour I use this cup, measuring cup. Okay, and here I have 1/4 cup of sugar, not a lot. You can adjust the sugar based on how sweet you want it, and optional also I have some condensed milk to add to it. That's why the sugar is not a lot. Half a bar of butter. Okay, so this is unsalted butter. You can use salted butter as well. So that's half a bar, 1 bar of unsalted butter, and I have here some evaporated milk and nutmeg. Okay, this is powdered nutmeg. So into my mixing bowl, the egg is already there. I add in the melted butter and the sugar. Mix that up. Okay, so you're going to beat this until the sugar melts, okay, or dissolves. The condensed milk goes in. This is about 2 tablespoons to 3. Okay, add in a little bit of salt. Okay, so if you use salted butter, you don't need to add salt, so just a little bit of salt. Okay, mix it up. Add the nutmeg. So the nutmeg you add. Don't add too much of the nutmeg. Just a little bit will go a long way. Okay, mix all of that up. Add the evaporated milk. I'm not using the whole can, just less than half the can. This is the small can, not the big one. Okay, just a little bit of that. Mix it up. So that's your wet ingredient. That's your wet ingredients with the nutmeg. Okay, now it's time to add in the flour and the baking powder. Okay, so add that. Mix it all up. So the dough should not be too thin. Okay, it should be a little bit thick. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna add in a little bit of the evaporated milk. Mix it up until I get the consistency that I want. So that's the consistency we're looking for. Okay, and take my hands, see, okay. should not be too thick. I mean, very, very thick, but it should not be thin as well. It should be this consistency. All right. Now I'm going to cover it up and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes of allowing the dough to rest, now it's time to fry. So I'm going to set my oil to medium-high heat and start frying. So I throw in a pinch to see how the oil is. If it starts bubbling like that, then you know it's set. So I'm going to take a pinch like so. Okay, you want to pinch it roughly. You don't want, you know, to make balls of it. And into the pot it goes. Take another pinch. Okay, in it goes. And we're going to fry this until golden brown and cook through. Okay, as soon as it's golden brown, I flip it over. Okay, it's golden brown and cooked through. Take it out and add to a paper towel and repeat the same step for the rest of the donuts. There you have it. Bon appetit and see you next Saturday. Bye bye.